In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Google form, stop accepting, automatic method, scheduled closure. Google recently added built-in automation that lets your form stop accepting responses on a schedule or after a set number of submissions. I'll show you exactly where to find these controls, how to set them, and what to consider so your form closes at the right moment without any extra work. Start by opening your form and switching to the Responses tab along the top. This tab is where you manage everything related to submissions. In the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Published. If you've set up automation before, it will show as Manage. Click that to open the response controls. In the Accepting Responses section, you'll find two automatic closure options. The first is a close date. Choose a specific date and time for your form to stop accepting responses. This is ideal for deadlines, event registrations, or assignments. Pay attention to the time zone your form uses so the closure matches your audience's expectations. If you're working across regions, it can help to add a slight buffer to avoid cutting off last-minute respondents unexpectedly. The second option is a response limit. Enter the maximum number of submissions you're willing to accept. Once that number is reached, the form will automatically close. This is perfect when you have limited seats, inventory, or review capacity. Keep in mind that responses can come in quickly. If demand is high, consider a limit that reflects your true capacity with a small safety margin. You can choose a close date, a response limit, or both together. If both are set, whichever condition is met first will close the form. This gives you the flexibility of a firm deadline while also protecting against overfilling. When you've made your selections, click Save. Nothing is applied until you save, so use that button to confirm your settings. From that point on, Google Forms will handle the shutdown automatically. When the close time arrives or the limit is reached, accepting responses will switch off, and visitors will see that the form is no longer accepting submissions. Your existing responses remain safe and visible in the Responses tab, and if you've linked a spreadsheet, they'll be there too. If plans change, just return to the Responses tab, click Manage, and adjust the date, update the limit, or remove automation. You can reopen the form at any time by turning Accepting Responses back on. That's all you need to schedule a Google form to close automatically, reliably, and right on time.